Get more fastening speed and more precision in a compact size. Introducing the 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Quick Shift Mode 3-Speed Impact Driver.
It's a high-end hotel, Local 10, Chicago. The compact size is very important when you're inside tight spaces, inside a cabinet. The light is great.
In tightening mode, or T mode, the impact driver automatically downshifts and reduces rotation and impact speed just prior to driving the screw into place.
Yeah, tightening mode, I'm going to use that all the time. Too often, two heads get stripped out. It's good for the tool.
Using the 3 speeds, we use it all the time. We're constantly changing for different applications.
Fantastic. Lots of speed for drilling through different material.
The XDT14Z is also equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's compatible with MAKITA 18V Lithium-Ion batteries with the fastest charge times in their categories. MAKITA Lithium-Ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty.
The 5 amp hour is awesome. Runtime is great. It's lighter than the other batteries I have. Yes, it's a great cordless. I would never go back to a corded tool.
It's part of the MAKITA 18V series, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
I would absolutely recommend it to anybody, my friends, neighbors, workmates, anybody.